guys, welcome to 6th grade math lesson 2. How can you compare fractions, decimals, and mixed numbers on a number line? This is very similar to lesson 1 that I taught you on Monday, where we used a number line and benchmarks to help us compare numbers to see which is greater, which is less than. Today you're doing the same thing except a little tiny bit step further, which is ordering them from greatest to least or least to greatest, depending on directions. So I'm on page 245. I'm doing the unlock the problem, except that I changed the people's names in here to our classmates. So in tennis, Jackson's serve takes 97/100ths of a second to reach his opponent. Violetta's serve takes 4/5 of a second. Soraya's serve takes 85/100ths of a second. Order the 3 serves from shortest to longest time. Okay, so we got 2 decimals here and a fraction. Here's your strategies. You could use a number line that uses benchmarks to help you plot them so you can visually see which is shorter, which is longer. And as you can see here, the benchmarks at the bottom are the benchmarks I taught you a long time ago of 0, 25/100ths, 50/100ths, 75/100ths, and a whole. And to help you remember that, we broke it down into money, right? 0, 25 cents, 50 cents, 75 cents, and $1. That's the bottom part of this number line. You can use the top part of the number line for benchmarks according to the fraction that it's equivalent to. So 25/100ths is equivalent to 1/4. Because if you do 1 divided by 4, actually no, if you do 1/4 is lowest terms of 25 over 100. Because this is 25/100ths. So here you go here. When you reduce it and you simplify it to lowest terms, it's 1/4. 50 is 1/2 is equivalent to 50 cents is half of $1. That's how I remember it. 3/4 is 75. Okay? So if you're dealing with 2 decimals, it makes sense to change that 1 fraction into a decimal as well, so you can work with 3 decimals. And 4/5 is equivalent to 80/100ths or 8/10ths. How did I do that? Well, I actually divided. I did 4 divided by 5, and I did the work right here, and it comes out to 80. And then I plotted them in the number line. And whichever one is further away from the whole number is the smallest number, and whichever one's closer is the larger one. So that's how I ordered it. And I ordered it as 4/5 is the smallest because it's 80/100ths, then 85/100ths, and then 97/100ths being the greatest. Okay? That's how we did it. Now, do you have to use a number line to help you with this? No, you do not. You can do it the way I did it, simply just changing this guy into a decimal and comparing them. Look at that, 80, 85, 97. You know how to compare numbers since kindergarten, 1st grade. So you could have done it that way. Some people need a visual like the number line, and some people can do without it. It depends on the situation, okay? I'm going to do another problem for you, which is the same page, 245 at the bottom. Oh, no, not 245, 247 at the bottom where it says try this, okay? Please check out my other video for that one.